Hello everyone, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use color wheels in DaVinci Resolve. So the first step is to come to the import button here. Now import the video of your choice that you're going to be editing. So I'll import this one here, then I'll tap on open. So when I tap on open, I'll basically come and drag this video, then drop it in the timeline. Okay, so after all that, basically I'll come to adjustments over here. Now protect the skin tone, I'll put this one on. Right, so basically I'll now scroll down. So when I scroll down, I'll come to the exposure, then I increase the exposure up to 50% in the positive way, not a negative way. So if I increase it like this, basically this is negative 50, yet I want to increase it in a positive way, which is a positive 50. All right, so for the case of contrast, you can leave it up to 30% or 28%. Now for the case of the highlight, reduce it a bit up to 50% in a negative way. Now for the shadows, you increase them up to 50%. Then for the whites, increase them up to 30% or 31%. Now for the blacks, also increase them up to 44%. Okay, so at that point, basically just come to this one that says apply to all. Okay, so tap on that and it has been applied to all. So basically you're done and you're good to go. So let's play this and see the effect on our video now. Okay, so this is the effect on our video. As you can see, it's completely different from how it was at the first place. I'll play it again for you guys. So that's it guys. I hope you found value in this video. If so, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.